Diba?
Hashtag, yung totoo, Chico, anong ina-expect mong gift from Baby Bell for your birthday? Oh, that's good.
It's your birthday, so you know. Well, I'm sure kasi, sinabi naman niya na we'll have dinner, although not today because I have work. So, but definitely like a dinner. And
Anong
ano
city?
naman yun eh?
Anong city? Pwede ba kami sumunod?
Year
At
in year.
i-periscope ito.
At saka year in year out naman.
Yung mga, fancy seeing you here.
Tsaka aminado naman siya talaga na every single year, wala siya talagang maisip. Kasi
Binibili mo naman lahat ng gusto mo.
and,
Yun din ang sinasabi namin.
Actually, mahirap kang bilan na
and
regalo.
alam naman niya yun na kasi like it's so easy for me to get what I want. Material.
Blue Chubs, if suddenly Baby Whale becomes allergic to fur and plastic resin, what will you do?
Ay, naku.
No more pets, no more toys, no more
statues,
love.
Here's the funny thing kasi allergic siya talaga sa fur.
For,
I know for a fact
Yeah.
kasi marami
Every
kami.
single time.
you know for a fact.
I know for a fact.
For a fact.
Na diba? Marami kaming similarities.
Yeah. At saka ano talaga.
Ako, I'm allergic to...
One big difference.
And especially sa cats. So every time nag-take care of the cats sa condo, afterwards, as in sobrang sneezy.
So the question
Sniffly.
is, if Baby Whale becomes allergic,
Ayun nga, kung kaya niyo tiisin yung cats, kaya niyo tiisin yung allergies.
Tansya ko mas invested siya sa cats.
Di ba?
Tansya ko lang.
Ay, kaya yung cats, tinitiis mo eh. Di yung toys, tiisin din niya. Pwede naman yan. At meron namang anti-histamine.
Wala masyadong he's not very caring.
No. Pwede naman yun.
okay. Okay, Netsky 9723 is asking, yes or no lang to us,
Okay.
so that it'll be quick. At this point in your life, can you say that you are happy in love and in career? Without qualifications, are you happy?
Yes,
Both.
both. Oh yeah. Hindi kasi ano naman siya eh, di ba? Yung, alam mo yung, kasi when you're younger, you have an idea of what happy is. It's parang, alam mo it's that fairy tale version of happy that nothing is wrong. That, alam mo yun, that perfect world that
Right.
you're thinking of. As you get older,
That
you tend to
changes.
revise your definition.
That
So,
changes.
although there are a lot of things that you want changed, alam mo yun, yung like kunyari when it comes to your finances, obviously, no matter how much you earn, you will always want more.
More.
So on that basis alone, pwede mo sabihin you're not happy kasi you still want more, di ba? Pero you learn how to be happy with what you have. And, you know, you tend to be more like that.
Here's a nice one from Cobo Hernandez. Have you ever been a cautionary tale? How and why?
That you know of.
As far as you know.
Yeah. Ako, for me, cautionary tale in a sense na I'm really like sobrang pendulum. You know, I'm like super safe
You
and then I'm
swing
so
both ways.
risky.
That's what a pendulum does!
Yeah, that's what a pendulum does.
I really don't
No,
know.
he doesn't. Come on.
Is this the anak?
Hindi naman.
Is this a really?
Is this the
Alam mo yung pendulum na, nag-swing to the left, tapos nag-swing to the right.
Naipit na
Sabi
doon.
ko, dito na ako.
Parang okay na ako dito. Ayoko na.
No, pero for me kasi, I really don't know the word moderate in anything.
As we can see
Yeah.
with your collection.
So either I'm super matipid or I'm super magastos. I'm super safe. I'm super
risky.
I'm super ganito. Alam, it's
Yeah.
never in the middle. I would be completely vegetarian.
Tapos biglang puro meat
Kung
pa.
ano-anong meat. I mean, like pork and
Kung
chicken.
ano-anong meat yung kinakain mo.
And I like kunyari, like with being a vegetarian, it's either I'm completely vegetarian or I eat meat.
Yeah.
I don't do the whole nasa gitna kind of thing. So in that sense, I mean, I wouldn't recommend that.
Albert Wesker has one. I'll modify it a little bit. Because he's asking, ano ang mamimiss mo kay Del and Gino if you will ever leave RX? But like in general, What would you miss?
With Del, the support. Kasi like,
The support.
The support.
The support.
Because we're British.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
We drink tea and eat crumpets. And of course, we talk about support.
with Del kasi, even before she became a mom, you will really feel the...
Para daw akong nanay.
Hindi ko naramdaman yun.
Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi ikaw yung masamang bata.
Well, that's true.
Ikaw yung masamang bata.
No, you know what?
Na kailangan na
Sorry, just a second.
Yeah.
You were my idol in terms of like lifestyle.
We not bring that up now.
No, I
I have
swear.
children.
Si Disco Del.
Ay, nako. Tsaka ano ba yung Wednesday night, si Dela Mar, nagdadrive pa. May show to na, alas 6 bukas. Pero nagdadrive palabas kasama si Christy. No? Saan to
Tapos-
pupunta? Tapos pupunta ako na. Diba?
Oy, pero hindi pa yun yung peak niya.
I'm sure.
Hindi mo pa nakita yung si Disco Del.
Diba? But, yun nga, I've told this time and time again to many a people. Many a people na yung mga guards doon. Pinakwento
At
sa akin
saka-
si Del, nagigising na Sunday, mga alas 2 ng hapon.
At saka she will tell you pa the differences between the different clubs.
Oh.
Yung the very small, the minute details of what makes this different from that club, different from that
Saka
club.
grabe yung game. Ako, doon ako.
If I play.
Saludo.
If I even play.
Saludo mi sa'yo. How to be you,
How to be you!
I hate that so much.
Pero like sometimes with Del, like you with the people close to you, minsan you don't even know that you're in trouble until Del asks you na parang, are you okay na daw? What? Am I in trouble? And you're like, oh crap,
Totoo yun.
And she sees it even before you do. And she's
Oh my
already
God.
asking.
Oh.
So you kind of feel like there's always somebody on the lookout.
Oo.
So minsan
Yung
parang,
nagmemeron.
oo. And sometimes it's like, she's already defending you. And it's like, why, what are they saying?
What are you defending me against? What's going
But
on?
it's
What did
true.
they say?
But it's true. And you kind of like, you know, if we, like, if she went to another country or
Yeah.
something, you're going to feel like there's like a major, parang
a gap in your defenses.
yung sa team mo ng mga defenders, may malaking...
may gap. You know?
Kaya nga nung papunta siya sa New York, yung sasabi niya that cannot be spoken of at this moment. Then, stop acting like you are gullible, okay?
Yeah.
Kasi talaga he...
Because the predators will prey on you.
And you super know. At saka akala mo yung minsan yung wala siya sinasabi, hindi mo alam naka-detalye na lahat ng na kailangan mong baguhin sa buhay mo.
Actually, may listahan.
Ito yung
Sa
dapat
notes
mo
ng
pa
phone
na.
niya.
With Gino, the one that I would miss is because right now, Gino is the mirror by which I see myself. How other people think of me. Kasi, you know, like, because Gino has no filter. As in, has no filter. So,
Ay, really though? Really?
so you will get, okay, FYI, because it's radio, right? Si Del, umiiling. Oo. So, usually people will be very, yung in front of you, they're like the nicest people, and they'll smile at you, and they'll say stuff like, oh, idol, tapos bilang behind your back, ano yung sinasabi
Hindi
nila.
ganun si Gino.
Hindi ganun si Gino.
Hindi ko ganun si Gino.
Pero, you need something like that in your life. Because you need to know what people are actually saying behind your back.
It's like needing a vaccine.
Yung
It's not pleasant.
It's not pleasant, but it helps.
but it helps.
You gotta get it.
Diba? And with Gino, you don't need to worry about like maybe he's saying one thing but means another.
No, it's pretty much out there.
It's pretty much out there. And alam mo yung parang, I need to tell him this, but I'm afraid to hurt his feelings.
Wala siya.
Oo, pero I swear, it really works. Kasi diba, you need to know eh. You need to know. Ay, saka, and there's one more thing that I will super miss. Sarap siyang kasama kasi madalas nanlilibre.
Actually, ayaw mo,
Oh.
pag ayaw mo, let's say
Oo.
ayaw mo uminom, ayaw mo mag-dessert, then sige, tapos alala mo yung niloko niya tayo. One time, oh my God, after the show, he said, guys, sisig tayo? Hindi, cupcake tayo. Kasi we talked about cupcakes.
Yeah.
So kami yung Chico, and we were like on the fence.
Yeah.
Sige na, we'll be quick. We'll just get cupcakes and then
Yeah.
It ended up na cupcakes kami. May sinundo pa kami sa Makati. Nag-lunch pa kami. Nag-coffee pa kami. Ay, nako.
Hindi ba masaya?
Ay, saka
Masaya naman, masaya
ay, saka, like, not just the ones that na ikaw yung nakinabang.
Kahit
Sometimes you really see it na parang, alam ba niya? Nasagot niya lahat.
Ako actually, yun ang biggest concern ko
Diba?
sa party niya eh.
And sometimes you really like,
Kaya wala,
are
I'm
you
not
sure
in
you
my
wanna do
face.
this?
If I were to get his wallet and go, Gino, I am not letting go of this wallet until I know how much you've spent.
Yeah.
Kung pwede ko lang gawin yun, I would. Pero wala, masyado siyang ganun. Hey, Mika Paredes is
So I will miss
asking,
that.
any advice for Cooper about life in general?
Oh.
That's nice. Thanks, Mika.
Ako, I would probably say, I really wish, because I know how the world can be. You know, it's not all cookies and cream in this world. I would probably advise him that I really, really just wish he never lets anyone take that lightly. Because he really has it. I mean, it's not something that just because he's cute or just because, like, if you know him as a person, he really has that life. And you know, like sometimes life has a way of taking that
Zapping
away
that
from
out.
you.
Yeah.
When life kicks you in the balls.
Yeah. It does.
And it
It
does.
does.
It really
And I
does.
tell you, no matter how privileged you may be, no matter how you
And
think
he's
you've
not.
got it all,
And he's done. He doesn't.
I mean, you know, life will find a way
Would you
of
believe-
knocking you down a couple of notches.
Would you believe me if I said that I used to be as lighthearted as Cooper?
Wow.
Wow.
I mean,
With that incredible look on his face.
I mean,
Ako, I hold off all judgment until I've met your parents and talked to them.
yeah.
I don't think you should. I don't think that's a good idea. Not for you, but mostly for me.
I have one hanging question before we get into it.
Okay.
Because we're wrapping up things, so we want to get as many questions in as
Okay.
possible. This one from Ampolista was asking, if God granted you one wish, what would you wish for? Okay, before you answer, think about it, and we'll take a quick break.
Hanging question.
Hanging nga.
Okay, may suggestion lang ako
Oh.
before the hanging question.
Okay.
A lot of people have actually tweeted this in. John Gabogs is one of them. You know what? Since it's your birthday,
Yeah.
you and Deb should do a live performance of one of the songs from your album.
It's not my birthday. It was solo.
Duet yun eh. Can you imagine Lionel Richie singing Endless Love mag-isa?
Yeah, I've done it a couple of
You make
times.
Debilitero is the group. Siyempre na
Pero ano pag yung hanging question, tas yung sobrang bitin ka dun sa question, then can you say na it's really done well? Yung pagkakahang niya. Na parang,
Alam mo, today, papalampasin ko na yan
okay.
I'm just saying
Kung
today,
makatawid ka talaga.
because it's your birthday, from last night, go ka lang ng go no?
Actually,
Kasi even like when I got in from work today, he
Yeah.
was already stressed about answering each and every greeting
Yeah.
on Facebook, on Twitter.
I feel
Just
bad
to say
kasi if I
thank you.
don't, yeah.
So today you'll be go.
Yeah.
Plus the dinner that you have, and I'm sure
You have
people
work pa
will
dun,
We have
Right.
work.
work
Gina
tonight.
na hosting.
Yeah.
But-
But ganyan. You know, you gotta make sure you're good to go.
I know. And you know, like, buti na lang, merong new Bear Brand Adult Plus, Kaya Pa. And kaya siya Kaya Pa, kasi it's the new single-serve sachet ng Bear Brand Adult Plus.
So 33 grams lang ito, kaya kaya ng bulsa, kasya sa bulsa, and available sa maraming tindahan. Tapos sobrang convenient.
So basically, you get the same kind of high calcium and adult level nutrients as the regular Bear Brand Adult Plus.
Exactly.
In an easy to find and affordable sachet.
That's right. So, you know, just buy your packs today, parang naka-ready lang sa bag nyo, and kayang-kaya na talaga lumevel up sa tibay anytime, anywhere, with the help of the new Kaya Pack single-serve sachet ng Bear Brand Adult Plus.
So, marami mang gawain, kakayanin.
At RX 931.